In the aftermath of World War II, the world stood scarred and shattered. The fallout from 6 years of global conflict left nations in ruins, economies in tatters, and millions of lives in peril. The need for aid and assistance was urgent, yet the resources required were colossal. This was the crisis that sparked the birth of the World Bank. In 1944, as Allied leaders gathered in Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, they faced a daunting challenge: to devise a plan that would restore the global economy and prevent a repeat of the devastation wrought by the war. This gathering would mark the beginning of a new era in international finance. Among the leaders was John Maynard Keynes, the renowned economist from Britain, who proposed an international bank to fund post-war reconstruction. His vision was simple yet profound: a bank that would provide long-term loans to countries in need, rebuild shattered economies, and foster mutual understanding among nations. However, Keynes's proposal faced stiff opposition from his American counterpart, Harry Dexter White. White, a bureaucrat in the U.S. Treasury Department, had a vastly different vision for the new bank. He sought to ensure that the United States would exercise undeniable control over the institution, reflecting its economic dominance in the post-war world. The ensuing debate was fierce and contentious. The delegates haggled over the bank's governance structure, voting power, and lending policies. For weeks, the future of the World Bank hung in the balance. But, as the sun set on the picturesque hills of Bretton Woods, a compromise was finally reached. The World Bank would be established, with the United States holding a majority of the voting power, but with a commitment to democratic decision-making and equal representation for all member nations. On December 27, 1945, the World Bank officially came into being. Its first president, John J. McCloy, set to work immediately, providing loans to countries in need and laying the foundations for a new era of international cooperation. The World Bank's creation marked a turning point in history, a testament to the power of diplomacy and the collective will to rebuild a shattered world. Through its work, the bank has provided tens of billions of dollars in aid, helping nations recover from crises and fostering economic growth and stability around the globe. Today, the World Bank stands as a symbol of hope and resilience, a beacon of aid in times of crisis, and a force for good in an ever-changing world. Its legacy is etched in the pages of history, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of cooperation.